In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily send a table through Gmail. We all know that sending data in a clear and organized way can really make a difference, especially when you need to share information that is best visualized in a table format. Whether you're managing a project, sharing data with colleagues, or simply organizing thoughts, tables can be invaluable. So, let's dive right into the process and make sure you can efficiently send tables via Gmail. First, you'll want to start by preparing the table you plan to send. This can be done using any number of tools, but Google Sheets is a fantastic option because of its simplicity and integration with Google services. As you create your table, make sure your data is clearly defined in rows and columns. Pay close attention to the headings, as these help to guide the reader through the information effectively. Once your table looks good and contains all the necessary data, you'll be ready to incorporate it into your email. Now, let's move over to the Google Sheets document. Once you're viewing your table, go ahead and highlight the cells you wish to include in your Gmail message. Simply click and drag over the necessary area. The next step is to copy the highlighted section. To do this, you can either right-click and select Copy from the menu, or you can use the keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl+C on a Windows device or Command+C if you're on a Mac. With your table data copied, navigate to your Gmail account. If you haven't already, go ahead and click on Compose to start a new email. You'll now find yourself in a fresh message window where you can enter the recipient's email address, the subject of your email, and any additional text you like. Position your cursor in the body section of the email where you want the table to appear, and then paste the data. This can be done by right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V for Windows or Command+V for Mac. Once your table is within the email draft, take a moment to review your message. Check that the table has maintained its format and all the data is visible. It's also a good idea to send a test email to yourself first, just to ensure that the formatting holds up well once it's sent. This way, you can catch any issues beforehand and make sure the final version looks just the way you want it to. If everything appears correctly and you're satisfied with how your email looks, you're now ready to send it off. Just hit the Send button, and your table will make its way to your recipient, neatly organized and easy to interpret. And there you have it, a simple guide to sending tables in Gmail that keeps your data structured and clear for your audience. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more informative tips and tutorials.